An evolving customer deserves an evolving business, one that can move with them, understanding their wants, anticipating their needs. Only a living business can achieve this. Become one today.
I do think that open source has a great role in innovation, and because India has a lot of engineers, I think that if we are able to start some good open source projects in India, and if the ecosystem promotes these open source software solutions, then India is in a very good place to use open source projects to catapult itself to the in the global tech hierarchy. So for example, just to share that most of the famous open source projects are started by people in the West. So like WordPress, Linux, anything that comes to mind has been started by somebody in West. So if you start thinking about any big famous open source project coming out of India, so I am not able to recollect any name. So that is the problem which the industry needs to solve, and because we have millions of engineers, I think once we start focusing on creating big open source projects, we would be able to rule the open source ecosystem, because obviously we have more engineers, so we can have more open source projects also. The single biggest challenge is that sometimes the senior management doesn't understand. So we are very fortunate in Paytm that our senior management, because we are a startup, so everybody understands things holistically. I think in bigger organizations, in legacy organizations, what happens is the senior management doesn't understand the impact technology can make, and they also don't understand some of the softer things like product management, user experience, agile, and unfortunately due to that they are not able to use technology in an effective way. And sometimes they even feel that open source is not secure, which is not true. So in new age startups like Paytm, the thought process is that we can do a lot of things using technology, but the main focus should be the customer. So technology is subservient to the customer needs, and that I think is a mindset which should be there in all the startups and in all the organizations. Otherwise, the customer would never get value out of all the technology which you are using. So you can use tons and tons of AI, but if the customer experience is not improving, what is the use of that AI? So that has to be always kept in mind by the senior management. Ecosystem is required. So in Paytm, I am heading an initiative called Paytm Build for India. In Build for India, we are trying to create an ecosystem of open source people. So we are trying to promote open source in colleges, we are trying to promote open source in hackathons. So in all the hackathons which we organize, we always have this rule that all the code would be open sourced after the hackathon. So we are trying to promote open source in this way, and in some of the other ways, like we have mentor days where we call teams to present their open source projects. So those kind of things help to create an awareness about open source in the student community. It also helps teams to get good volunteers for open source projects. And I do think that if we have more organizations promoting open source in similar ways, then only India will become the open source capital of the world.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.